Welcome to Beautyistic, where every product gets a thorough, honest look before it earns a spot in your routine. Today, we're exploring the KIKO Milano Unlimited Blush in shade 01 Coral Rose, a long-lasting powder blush that promises a buildable, demi-matte finish. It's designed to give you that natural, radiant flush, while letting you layer it up for more intensity if desired. When I first unboxed this blush, I noticed its finely milled texture and the subtle sheen that hints at a demi-matte finish without looking flat. The packaging is sleek and lightweight, perfect for travel or a quick touch-up. The shade Coral Rose is a warm pink with just enough coral undertone to brighten the complexion without being overpowering. Using it in my routine, I found the blush easy to blend. A light hand delivers a soft, natural tint, while layering builds up a richer, more vibrant hue. The pigmentation is impressive, but not intimidating. There's room to play without risking streaks or patchiness. I tried it during a full day of errands and light outdoor activity, and it held up well, fading only slightly by the evening, which is impressive for a powder formula without primers or setting sprays. One of the standout qualities is how it feels on the skin. It's smooth and almost creamy in texture, despite being a powder. It doesn't cling to dry patches or emphasize pores, which can be a common issue with long-lasting blushes. However, if you're someone with very oily skin, I noticed it can shift slightly after several hours, so a light setting powder might help maintain the finish. On the plus side, the KIKO Milano Unlimited Blush delivers excellent blendability, buildable color, and a comfortable, lightweight feel. It's travel-friendly and has a shade that works well for a variety of skin tones. On the downside, the packaging doesn't include a mirror, and as I mentioned, it may need a little touch-up for very oily skin later in the day. Considering the price point, this blush offers strong value. It holds up well against higher-end powder blushes, and the formulation feels premium with its soft, blendable texture and long-lasting wear. Compared to similar options, KIKO's powder blush has the advantage of buildability and that demi-matte finish, which gives it a natural flush without looking flat or too shiny. The quality of the product and the pigment's longevity suggest it was crafted with careful attention to formulation standards. While I haven't had direct interaction with customer support, KIKO Milano generally has a solid reputation in handling inquiries and product concerns. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly alternative, some drugstore powder blushes offer similar pigmentation and wear, but KIKO's blendable texture and shade selection give it a notable edge in terms of finish and feel. Overall, the Unlimited Blush in Coral Rose is versatile, comfortable to wear, and delivers on the promise of a buildable, long-lasting flush. It's ideal for anyone seeking a natural-looking blush with the option to amp up intensity without harsh lines. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and you can find the link to purchase this blush in the comments or description box below. If you've tried the KIKO Milano Unlimited Blush, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it works for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.